Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to T-Mobile home internet. Many standard Wi-Fi printers require a direct connection, as the T-Mobile gateway does not support Wi-Fi protected setup. Instead, we will explore using your printer's built-in Wi-Fi direct feature. This method allows your devices to communicate directly with the printer, ensuring consistent access for all your printing needs. First, confirm your printer's connection capabilities. Look for Wi-Fi Direct or Wireless Direct on its control panel or within the settings menu. Most printers manufactured in the last 5 years include this feature. If your printer has an Ethernet port, usually located on the back, that's another excellent option for a stable, fast connection. Verifying these options is your first crucial step. To use Wi-Fi Direct, activate it from your printer's display. Your printer will broadcast its own distinct Wi-Fi network, typically starting with Direct. You will also find a unique password on the printer screen or a small printout. Then, on your computer or phone, go to your Wi-Fi settings and select this printer network, entering the provided password to establish the direct link. With your computer or phone now directly connected to your printer's Wi-Fi network, you're ready to print. Open your document or photo, and then initiate the print command as you normally would. Your printer should appear as an available option in the print dialog. This method establishes a one-to-one connection, effectively bypassing your T-Mobile home internet gateway for the printing process itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.